Hi guys, welcome to ATHT Motorsport, and today I'm going to show you my the car. It's called the AH01. So I'm going to show you the car. So this is the front. I put some sponsors and maybe shapes and patterns. Black Lives Matter, and then I made the Petronas logo by myself, build the 89, and Black Lives Matter, and just random. I want to show you the right first. So here's the left, and the right side of the car. Superfly, TRD, and cloudy music. Let's see. Yeah. And master at the at the at the right side of the wing. So I'm gonna show you the top. The top over here it says my racing number and two sponsors, Cloudy Music and Speed Rush TV. Wait, I'm going to show you the front of the spoiler over here. It says turbo burst, or is on top of X shape over here. Not much by the way in the spoiler. And the back of the the rear wing. It says cable top in another sponsor. Okay, so we have two sponsors at the rear wing, and then we go to the right side of the car. It says my racing number 89, just like the right side, and Speed Rush TV. It says Toyota. And then another sponsor, Maple Top Tires, and Black Lives Matter, and some of the shapes, by the way, I made it myself, especially the black and blue arrows at both sides.